Careface CVP. Careface CVP. Subscribe, like, comment, and let the whole world know about Careface CVP.
CVP, Careface Video Productions.
on Cool 97 FM.
This is the GOJ Minute for Monday, August 19. Prime Minister Andrew Holness says a seawall is to be built at Roselle in St. Thomas following damage to the old structure during the passage of Hurricane Beryl. The Ministry of Health and Wellness is urging members of the public to take the necessary precautions to safeguard themselves against Mpox disease. Presently, there are no reported cases of Mpox on the island. The Ministry of Labour and that 4,988 work permit applications were received for the 2023 calendar year. Number 2,644 were for 2,344 were new applications. And 35 secondary and tertiary level students from Western Jamaica have been awarded scholarships totaling $6.5 million from the Howard Ward Benefit Foundation to support their academic journey. That was the GOJ Minute. For more information about these and other stories, visit jis.gov.jm.
A production of the Jamaica Information Service, the voice of Jamaica.
Are you renovating? Starting a project and looking to elevate? From dreams to beams, we'll build your scene. We have everything to get it done, from start to finish. Concrete, steel, tools, plumbing, cabinets, vanities, lighting fixtures, and furniture. Visit us on the Redwood Road or on our website www.jm.com. For everything home, consider it done.
It's a step back. A moment in time. A musical journey that brings you right back to yourself.
Thanks for making Windmills the most listened to program on Cool 97 FM at night. Listen every Monday, 9 p.m. to midnight, for Windmills. Brought to you courtesy of Totally Mail, located at 6 Windsor Avenue, Kingston 5. Telephone 876-946-2454. Windmills, the circles that you find, windmills at your mind. For your complete eye care needs in a safe and modern facility, visit Ophthalmic Suites. They do OCT diagnostic screenings, visual field exams, ultrasounds, retinal photography, corneal studies, and more. They also offer glaucoma, retinal laser therapy, and LASIK surgery. For appointments and to learn more about their full range of eye exams and surgical services, call 876-802-3169. Ophthalmic Suites, 34 Lady Square Road, Kingston, where technology meets the eyes.
Then change over there. Show me that big boy, show me there. Bumpy. Yeah. Let me come at them someday, if I make me someday. Buy it outside and then come back. Run go to Miss Nuglet. Run go on and come back. We'll wait them fam. Yeah.
Brought to you by Careface CVP. Subscribe, like, comment, and let the whole world know about us. Careface CVP.